Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this beautiful wind chimes that I got recently on Amazon. I absolutely love all of the details. As you can see right here, the little birdies with the mama right at the top. This is made of bronze and it does have a little bit of weight, which I like. It also comes with 12 bells, and let me move this around a little bit so you can hear. Today's not very windy. This is how it sounds like. I think this is beautiful. I love the details, as you can see right here. Very well made. The material is really good. This is also water resistant, so you don't have to be scared of leaving this outside. And this is also 25 inches long, which is not super big. I love the size of it. It doesn't take too much space. I think the size is actually perfect. Absolutely love this wind chimes and I highly recommend it.